and welcome back to another BobBlast. Hi, I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is all about me doing small paintings and making them bigger. You know that every morning in the studio I do a whole lot of small ones just to warm up my stretching exercises, my Pilates, that stretching kind of a thing. And out of those small little ones, there's not a lot of pressure to make a great painting, but every once in a while there's one that turns out like, wow, I'd like to make it larger and do a bigger painting on canvas or a larger piece of watercolor paper. This is what I want to show you how I do it. It's pretty simple. We all know how to do this. This is almost like grade school engineering, but let me show you how I take a small painting and make it larger. So here's a small painting, one of my warm-ups I wanted to make larger. It's a start. All right, it's not perfect, but at least it gave me an idea. Let's go bigger, and this is what I do. All right, I place it on a larger piece of watercolor paper, and I know you know this stuff, but it's good to be reminded. Then I take a straight edge going from one corner to the next corner, just like that. How do I make it larger? Simple as that. I'm going to draw a straight line just like that. Right back down here again. Now, I know whatever I do here, proportionately, it will be perfect. So let's say I'm going to make it this large. Take a triangle. Remember those things, folks? Right out of engineering school. Now we have 90 degrees. Bring the straight edge down here. Now, that's the size of my painting. All right, so let's get started. Let's get started. I could cut this off right now. I could do that right now. I think I will. A handy dandy knife. Get rid of everything off the table that does not serve me. There's the size of the painting. Perfect, right? Now I get to paint. Now here's the other thing that's cool. With this line here, I'm going to draw on this. You can see about relationships and proportions. And that's what I'm going to do right now. Just to show you. I'm bringing this line straight down here. Just like this. All right. Now, on this line, where do I put this part? Well, it's a lot easier now for me to know where to put it. New relationship right in here. Let's go into the blue areas. See, I can start now relating to negative space painting. All the way up to this corner. I'm not going to be able to do the entire painting, obviously, for this demo. I have my paints out, I'm ready to go. Loosely, and I mean loosely, put in the parts that are on this side of the line, you see? And the parts that are up here. See, that way I know at least the darks and the lights are where I wanted them to be initially. Now I'm going to move on to the other side. So it's basically what I'm showing here is a guide to show you how to get proportions. Not necessarily how to do the entire painting. Now look, we're coming down into this section here. Here we go. All based on the diagonal design here. Based on this. And I can take it from there. but at least it got me started. You see? Got me started. Now, more blue. More blue over here. So it's a great way to get started loosely and at least have something to inspire you to get into the next size larger. Hey, thanks again for watching this BobBlast. And I know you know this stuff, but do more of them. Hey, I'll see ya on the next BobBlast.